A quick one over here. We have to solve 3x plus 5y all over x equal to 7x plus 3y all over 5 equal to 4. So this is a simultaneous equation. They are trying to tell you that both this and this is equal to 4. The three identities are equal. The three expressions, I mean. So we can say 3x plus 5y all over x is equal to 4, right? And also 7x plus 3y all over 5 is also equal to 4. We have two different equations. So the simultaneous linear equation. Let's cross multiply this over 1 over 1. Here we now have 3x plus 5y like this. 3x plus 5y would be equal to x multiplied by 4, 4x. While here we do the same thing, 7x plus 3y equal to 5 times 4, 20. So we now have two equations. We can tag this equation 1 and this equation 2. So we have to collect like term here because we need to make sure that the two equations are arranged similarly. The first term is the x term, the second term is the y term, and the last term is supposed to be a constant. Therefore, we have to make this place a constant. How do we do that? We move this 4x to the left, while here remains 0. So we are going to be having 3x. When the 4x comes here, it turns to minus 4x plus 5y equal to 0. Now we can now place this here so that we start our solving. 7x plus 3y equal to 20. Okay, before that, we're supposed to combine this 3x minus 4x. Yes. 3x minus 4x gives us negative 1x, which is negative x, plus 5y equal to 0, while this is equal to 20 over here. So these are the two equations we now have. So as usual, let's try to either we substitute or eliminate. Let us eliminate. Yes, let's eliminate. How do we do that? Let's eliminate x by multiplying this equation by 7 so that the two x have 7. So this equation 1, we are going to multiply it by 7. So minus x multiplied by 7 gives us minus 7x plus 5y multiplied by 7 gives us plus 35y equal to 0 times 7 gives us 0. Yes. So we can bring this down again, the 7x, the plus 3y equal to the 20. And now we can add this equation to eliminate x. Minus 7 plus 7 gives us 0. Therefore, the x is gone. Plus 35y plus 3, it gives us plus 38y equal to 0 plus 20 is 20. Now we divide by 38. And then our y is going to be equal to 20 out of 38. We have to reduce it by 2. We get 10 out of 19. So this is our y. Let's try to substitute our y into any of the equation. Let's substitute it into any of the equation to get our x. Which one should we use? I think we should use this. Yes. Minus x plus 5y equal to 0. So minus x plus 5y. 5y, we're now replacing y with 10 out of 19. That is 5 multiplied by 10 out of 19, which is y, equal to 0. We're going to multiply everything by the LCM, which is 19, so that this fraction can be cancelled. So when we multiply everything by 19, minus x multiplied by 19 gives us minus 19x. Here the 19 cancels 19. We're left with 5 multiplied by 10, which is 50. And here 19 multiplied by 0 is 0. So we can collect like terms so that minus 19x would be equal to minus 50. And when we divide by minus 19, our x is going to be equal to, minus divided by minus is now positive. 50 divided by 19, we have 2 whole number, then 12 over 19. So I'm doubting if this is correct, so let us check if it's correct. Let's look for an equation and include these two values in the equation to see if it's right. So 7x plus 3y is equal to 20. Let's use that equation. Yes, this equation, let's use it. 7x would now be 7 open bracket. What is x? Minus 50 over 19. 50 over 19 plus 3. What is our y? 10 over 19 equal to 20. So you can see our LCM is 19. So we just multiply everything by 19 so that we can cancel the fractions. When we multiply this by 19, we are left with 7 multiplied by 50. 7 multiplied by 50 is 350. Plus, the same thing here, the 19 cancels the 19. Therefore, we have 3 multiplied by 30, 3 multiplied by 10, which is 30. And here we are left with 20. 20 multiplied by the 19, we get 380. And yes, our equation is balanced. That means we are correct. 350 plus 30 is 380. So this is the solution to this simultaneous equation. See you in the next class.